If you're walking into a spiritual war zone wearing flip-flops and vibes, the enemy already won. News headlines scream from every direction, each word a stark reminder of the world's relentless chaos. Faces flash by, etched with the personal battles fought in the quiet corners of everyday life. A voice cuts through the noise, a whisper of ancient wisdom. God gave you armorial armor. From nothing, a helmet materializes, bathed in radiant light. First up, the helmet of salvation. Swirling dark clouds fill the mind, a visual storm of doubt and confusion. You ever try fighting with a head full of doubt, guilt, and confusion? That's like going into a sword fight wearing a paper crown. As the helmet descends, darkness yields, replaced by a surge of light and clarity. This helmet isn't just about being saved, it's about knowing you're saved. Thinking like you're saved, and protecting your mind from lies that sound true. Next, the breastplate of righteousness. A heart is pierced by darts of guilt and shame. If the enemy can pierce your heart, hell poison your purpose. The breastplate shines, turning away the darts aimed at the heart. Righteousness means being right with God, not based on your feelings, not based on your past, but based on what Jesus already did, a symbol of unity. The belt of truth might sound boring until you realize it's what holds everything together. A whirlwind of deceptive images assaults the senses, each frame a fleeting glimpse into the heart of cultural norms and individual emotions. Truth is what keeps your whole life from falling apart. Not feelings, not opinions, not what culture says. Truth, God's truth. Now let's talk about the shoes of peace, because you can't go to war barefoot. A lone figure stands resolute, unmoved by the surrounding chaos of the battlefield. Peace isn't passive. It's power, the voice echoes, as the figure looks around the battlefield. It means when chaos hits your home, your heart doesn't panic. You know what the enemy's favorite weapon is? Fiery darts, doubt, fear, anxiety, temptation. Fiery darts streak, each a vivid embodiment of temptation and doubt. But faith isn't wishful thinking, it's a weapon. I trust God even when I can't trace Him. Everything else in the armor? It's for defense. But this right here, the sword of the Spirit, that's your offense. The sword pierces through symbolic lies, its power undeniable. Fear is slashed, strongholds crumble, the sword's purpose is revealed. This sword doesn't just cut, it pierces lies, slashes fear, and tears down strongholds. Hebrews 4:12 says, "The word of God is alive and active, sharper than any double-edged sword."
Stop surviving your battles. Start winning them. Comment below. Which piece of armor hit you the hardest? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, share this with someone who needs to armor up.